Hey everyone, and welcome back to A Cup of Chic, or welcome if you are new. My name is Ashleigh and I post all things Louis Vuitton twice a week on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so down below and make sure you click that bell notification. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, like I said. Oh my god, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I just recently got back from a trip to Italy and I picked up a couple little things on my trip, so I thought I would share them with you guys. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So since I was traveling, I only have the little box and I put everything that I got into this one box because it was easier to fit in my suitcase than all the other little boxes. And as you can tell, I have enough boxes in my life. I didn't need extras, and I didn't need the bag either, so I left those behind and I just carried one box across just so that nothing would get wrecked. But in here is all of the goodies. So the first thing I picked up is this belt. It's just this buckle. I have a Louis Vuitton belt that I think is the 40-inch, and this is, it doesn't say, but this is the, like, I think this is the 30 inch, 30 millimeter, I don't know, the 30 size. I'm not very good with belts, but I'll leave link to this exact one down below, and my size and like the number and everything. It's the Epi leather, if it'll focus. So you can see there, it's the Epi leather, and then on the other side is just the classic monogram. I like that I can have a black belt and a brown belt, and while I was traveling, this was amazing. And I just love how simple and dainty almost this buckle is compared to some of them. Some of them just look like I was wearing my boyfriend's belt, so I really like this one. I'm not sure the exact model number, but I'll leave it down below for you guys if you're interested in this one. And I think they might even have it in different colorways. So that's the first thing I got. Then when we were in Milan, it happened to be the unveiling of a new little limited edition collection with, I just looked this up, it's like the Pets print, the Grace Coddington, I'm so sorry if I got that wrong. This collaboration is adorable, and if I had known that this was the like unveiling and that the pop-up shop for this collection was in the Louis Vuitton store that we just happened to walk into, I feel like I would have picked up a few more pieces, but I had no idea. We were jet lagged and everything like that, so I only picked up a few pieces because I thought it was really cute. Otherwise I probably would have gotten a bag, and if I still can get my hands on one, you best believe I will, because they are so cute. If you have any of them, oh my god, you lucked out. So anyways, I got a bandolier, whatever you call these things that go on your bag. I got the black and white one that has all of the cats on it. Oh my god, it is so cute, and I just instantly pictured putting this either on my Clooney or on my Speedy or even on my Push-Up Matisse. Like, this one is so cute. It's going to be on my bag non-stop, so my apologies in advance. You guys are going to see a ton of this. You also will see it in, I think it's my next video. It's a lookbook featuring my Clooney, and I have this on it because as soon as I do this, it's going on that. But I just love all the cats. They're just so cute. They also have like a black with like a kind of orangey color instead of the white, but the black and white is just so classic and timeless. So I got that. Love it. Just so cute, I can't. And then I got this because if you guys are a longtime subscriber, you guys probably have seen my cat in the background of videos, or maybe even on my Instagram. But I have a black tuxedo cat. His name's Louis. I know, Louis Vuitton, Louis, yeah. So he looks just like this. This is like a gray tuxedo cat. He's black and it looks just like this. So we had to get this. It's just a little luggage tag. I'm gonna probably put it on my Speedy or my Neverfull, just because I think it's a good size. It's quite large. And then it just has the monogram on the back and the monogram up here, or even, you know what this would be really cute on? My Clapton backpack. This would be really cute on it. The only thing I hate putting things on that because it's behind you, and so someone could just take this and run. So maybe not, but this is just so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Look, it's my face. That is adorable. So these are just the few little things that I picked up on my trip. Like I said, I didn't have a lot of room in my luggage, and I didn't see anything that was out of the ordinary that I didn't think I could get back here in Canada. I mean, except these cute little things that I thought would be a lot harder to get than a bag. So we shall see. Hopefully you see another unboxing featuring these items because I need to get my hands on more. This is a collection that is just way too cute if you love cats. They also have like ones with dogs and stuff on it, or ones with cats and dogs. It is just so cute. They have boots and all different kinds of bags. They're just so adorable. So yeah, that was really rambly. You can tell this is like my first video back in a few weeks. I have a lot to say apparently. I missed you guys. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I know it was just like a few little things, no bag or anything, but little accessories are cute too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more unboxings like this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!